Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. We could see that Bitcoin right now back to 39,160. Today we did have a nice little pump back up to 40,000, but that was a little bit short-lived. As we could see, we came back up and then we got, let's take a look at this chart. It shows a little bit better. We could take a look that we did come back up today up to 40,000 during the morning, and then boom, got rejected, came down back to 38,300. Found this as support, so we're finding a little bit of support at the moment at these levels, and now we're starting to come back up to retest 39,500 or 600, depends which one you want to see or take a look at. And wow, XRP big pump today, 11% on the day. We did have some news regarding their SEC filing, so if you guys are in the Discord, you guys can take a look at that. Geotech did post some news regarding the XRP pump today, and good for Daniel, because Daniel's our biggest XRP whale in the Discord as well, so woo, good for him. But yeah, let's just take a look at this Bitcoin chart right here, which shows that we are holding this little bit this trend line right now as support. It looks like an ascending wedge at the moment, but some people in the Discord have started to potentially speculate that this could be an ascending wedge instead, and not a rising wedge. So something like this, possibly something like so. Obviously you could angle it down to match the candles a little bit better, but yeah, you don't want to stretch it too much. But overall, if you draw it like this, it's possible that Bitcoin keeps going up. Where's my, there we go, there's my pencil. It's possible that we do keep going up. We push to maybe 46,000, get rejected, and then from there on potentially break down from there, and maybe keep going to our price targets for April, but we're gonna have to see. As we can see on the momentum waves right now, that looks like we're going to be expecting a big move for Bitcoin. On the daily time frame, looking quite bearish now, the 16 and the -5. 12 hour looking a little bit more bearish as well, so let's see what happens. The weekly looks like it's going to close in the red for now, but again, there's still a day and 20 hours left, so plenty of things can happen before then. And again, like I said before, the money flow is about to cross into the red, so keep an eye on that, because as we can see, every time it's crossed into the red, historically speaking, at the end of bull runs, we can see that when we cross into the red, we got a 50% correction within 8 weeks here, and back in 2014 it was 12 weeks, so maybe we'd be expecting within 4 weeks we get a bottom at maybe $20,000 to $19,000 for Bitcoin. So again, a lot of speculation, but you never know what can happen. Again, we can come back down to maybe 34,600, find the bottom there, and then completely reverse back up and make some new all-time highs. That is also very possible. But you always want to look at other factors that not only involve the crypto space. You want to take a look at traditional markets, what's going on there, other events in the world. You don't want to take your eyes away from the inflation numbers. I know this war in Ukraine is excuse me, is making a lot of noise, right? A lot of distractions on the news. I mean, I shouldn't say distractions, but it's kind of blocking out the inflation numbers, and nobody's really paying attention to that. And we just printed 7.9% inflation, and they're going ahead with rate hikes of quarter point rate hikes, which is kind of a joke, because we are headed towards a recession now. And historically speaking as well, oil, every time oil has spiked and made new huge oil spikes to new highs in the last, I don't know how many years has it been, but overall, when oil spikes, it is followed by a recession. As we can see in 2008, when oil spiked, we had a big recession right there, and then overall the oil price will come back down. And if we follow this trend line, if oil does come back down, maybe it'll crash back down to $5, but we're just gonna have to see what happens. Anything can happen in these markets, guys, but overall, don't get distracted. Inflation is still here, gold is still at 1988, and if traditional markets start to go down and Nasdaq goes down, it's going to be a strong correlation between the Nasdaq and Bitcoin going down as well. So that's what I'm betting on. And if they do end up what's wrong with me today? If they do end up raising the rates significantly, right? They're gonna have to choose between crashing the dollar and crashing the economy. So if they raise the rates enough to fight inflation, then you're going to crash the economy. But if you raise them just enough to send us into a recession, and then Jerome Powell's going to feel the pressure to, lower the rates back, start to lower back the rates and start QE again, then you're going to crash the dollar, right? Both cases are very bullish for gold and Bitcoin. But in the initial crash, I still see Bitcoin coming down to 20,000. Anyways, guys, you guys have been awesome. Thanks for supporting the channel. We're almost at 8,500 subscribers. Once we get to 10,000, we're going to do that giveaway. If you haven't already, you can definitely join the Discord. That's why I do all my charting right here, and you guys can take a look. Great entries right here. You can see that you could have shorted at this resistance point of the green box and made a nice low 4% right there with leverage 80%. I believe someone in the Discord today made a nice 80% trade, so congratulations to you, my friend. You guys have been awesome. Peace.